Yeah, buddy.
To show you guys what I got. These are from Go Treads, and I saw a couple other people had them on a couple different forums and loved them. And they're just, you put them under your tires if you get stuck or in mud, snow or whatever. But what I liked about these ones is I don't have to find an external place to store them. They fold up and I'm able to store them right inside my storage box in the back. Really cool thing, and you can use them to level your vehicle as well. They're super tough and sturdy.